Hello out there. This is John Crotts coming to you again, attorney here at King Law and certified elder law specialist. One of the questions I get from clients quite frequently is, do I need a trust? Um, and the question of that is always maybe, because there's not a one size fits all estate plan. And there's multiple types of trusts. There's revocable trusts, there's irrevocable trusts, special needs trusts, um, trusts that are contained within a will, trusts that are created in their own separate document. Um, and trusts, while they're certainly not for everyone, they can be a very effective planning tool and something that should be considered by many people out there. Um, the most popular reason for creating a trust is to avoid probate. Probate is the oftentimes painful process of opening a loved one's estate, going through the sometimes year plus long process of paying creditors, notifying creditors, doing inventories and accountings, and all these burdensome filings at your local courthouse. Well, what if I told you you could avoid that by taking some simple steps and potentially uh, creating a trust that would avoid the hassle or avoid your family from having to go through the hassle of probate? We do that through a revocable living trust. And in that trust, you can identify who you want to inherit your property just like you would in your will. Uh, and you can nominate individuals to serve as your successor trustees, just like you would appoint an executor in your will. But during your lifetime, you have full control over this trust. You can put property into the trust, you can take property out of the trust. The trust can own title to real estate, it can own title to bank accounts. So uh, it has the same ability to own property just like you do. Uh, there is also incompetency protection. So if you become incapacitated and unable to make decisions for yourself, or maybe you just don't want to have to do that anymore at a certain stage of life, then you can turn that responsibility over to your next in line successor trustee. And he or she would be able to then write checks, pay bills, manage property, collect any monies that are due you, uh, and just manage your affairs in terms of anything that's owned by that trust. Um, and a critical part of a revocable living trust is ensuring that it's funded properly. Um, a trust document is just a piece of paper until that trust is properly funded, and that's something we assist folks with as well. We can put real estate into the trust. We can put bank accounts into the trust. We can assign business interests into the trust, and so on. Uh, but you still need a will. You still need healthcare directives. You still need a power of attorney. Uh, and all of these things work together to ensure that your needs are met and that you're taken care of. And it may be something that needs to be changed over time. It's something that we can get back together after a few years and review and make sure that nothing's changed and that we don't need to amend anything or update it in any way. But if you have questions about that, then you're welcome to call us or check our website at kinglawoffices.com for more information. And thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you again soon.